Hey everyone, it's Erika Simone, and I'm really excited because drag car sessions are back. And for today, we've got Los Angeles band Lady Low in the back seat. And who are you guys?
I'm Eden.
Hi, Eden.
I'm Jimmy.
Hey, Jimmy.
I'm Rachel.
How are you guys today?
Good.
Awesome.
Fantastic.
Great. So, without wasting any time, I'd love to bust in some music first.
You guys want to do Hello Sweet Goodbye?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's give you a little something.
Your name, but I'm much too shy. Hello, sweet goodbye. Sweet goodbye. I wanna fly, but we've been here before. I wanna run, heading straight to the door. It'll never work, but I'm willing to try. Hello, sweet goodbye. Too deep. I wanna hide, but I just can't sleep. I'm at the end and I don't know why. Hello, sweet goodbye.
Wow. Loved it. Absolutely love that song. The harmonies were gorgeous.
Thank you.
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
The bunny ears just make it that much more epic. All right, so I've been in the music business for over 15 years, and I've never heard anyone describe their sound as romance rock. So I have to ask you guys, is this going to be Fleetwood Mac Rumors Part 2? I mean, what's going on? Who's in love with who?
Well,
I'm in love with myself.
Yeah, that is probably the most accurate. Jimmy's in love with himself.
Okay. Any other reason why you want to call it romance rock?
Well, it's definitely not heavy metal, so, you know, I had to come up with a name of some sort, and I wish I wasn't in the band. I actually wish I could watch the band, because I love it so much.
Aww.
So, and it makes me...
Huge mirrors in front of the stage.
It makes me feel like in a romantic vibe when I listen to the music. It's their voices. It's these two right here that
Yeah.
It's very romantic.
I could fall in love to that music.
Yeah. Right?
Yeah.
Hope everyone
Doing
does.
something right.
I'm digging it. So you guys are obviously busy recording and playing shows, and I saw on your touring schedule that you're doing a Rocky Horror Picture Show cover night.
Yeah.
Are you gonna be Frankenfurter?
No, I'm actually gonna be Riff Raff because he's my favorite character.
Okay.
And I love his voice, so I'm gonna be Riff Raff. I think you're Magenta.
I'm Magenta.
And you're gonna be
I think I'm doing Rocky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of out of the box
in a
here.
gold bathing suit, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Well, we'll talk
Yes.
about it.
You've got 4 girls in the band and 1 guy. So girls, did you run out of girlfriends? I mean, what's the deal? Like,
Well, we needed some testosterone, of
Right.
course, like to add that kind of. Well, we know we need the crooning and like we need some like sex appeal, for the women as well. It can't just all be hot chicks.
They
We
thought
need
I was a
hot
girl,
chicks as
actually.
well.
They thought I was a girl when I joined the band, so joke's on them.
Yeah.
so now that you have a band full of girls, and you're used to touring with bands full of guys, Jimmy, what's the most disgusting thing that these girls have done while on the road?
Oh God.
Am I gonna?
I'm like
Keep in
running
mind,
through
we
my
have
head.
to do, like,
What have I done?
more, so just
Nothing. No, honestly, these girls. I'm in love with them both. With the previous question. There's nothing that's turned me off or thought, what the hell's going on with you or your bodily function or anything. So far, they've been nothing but proper, sweet women. Yeah.
So yeah.
That's good.
Jimmy, what a great answer.
That's good. You can stay.
Yeah, you're in. You're in the band.
So what do you guys want to play next?
You want to do "Burn Like a Fever"? It's a single coming out soon. It's featuring Eden on lead vocal. Let's do it. Let's do that. Let's remember how it goes. All right, here we go. Is that right?
Yeah, I think sounds good. You got me burning like a fever. The temperature is in my heart. You got me burning like a fever. I burn for you right from the start. You got me burning like a fever. You got me burning like a fever. I burn for you right from the start. sure is in my heart. You got me burning like a fever. I burn for you right from the start.
Loved it again. Beautiful, you guys.
Thank you.
So we're gonna go head off to a little secret location. This is the special surprise. We're here at Marsh Park in Frogtown, Los Angeles, California. And Lady Love's been so awesome. We've got the full band here. And we're gonna hear one more song called You and I. So let's hear it, everyone. I'm just gonna take a seat down here. If you don't mind.
Please do.
Dancing the waltz in a daze.
Just you and I.
You and I, you and I discover ourselves in a haze.
Just you and I.
You and I, you and I will disappear in the night.
Just you and I.
You and I, you and I, paradise well in our sight.
Just you and I.
You and I, you and I, just you and I, just you and I, looks like we're lost out in space.
Just you and I.
You and I, you and I, all I caress is your face.
Just you and I.
You and I, you and I, hush now, let's not make a sound.
Just you and I.
You and I, you and I hope we never come down.
Just you and I.
You and I, you and I, just you and I, just you and I, hush now, let's not make a sound.
Just you and I.
You and I, you and I hope we never come down.
Just you and I.
Just you
Bye.